We have a number of severe threats for us. So first alert weather days in the forecast the next few days. Now the timing is interesting. It's going to be late tonight, midnight until 9 a.m. tomorrow. And then midnight Wednesday night into 6 a.m. Thursday. Friday off and on all day. Saturday, it's going to be Friday night, midnight until about noon on Saturday. Golf ball size hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts cannot be ruled out, but also there's the potential of an isolated tornado possible as these storms are getting going. All right. Let's look right at the first alert 7-day forecast. So for today, you're going to make it up to 82. It's going to be a windy day, clouds increasing, but let's look at the risk factor for tonight into tomorrow morning. It is that slight risk of severe storms does include the west sides of North Texas as we go into the overnight time frame. So let's take a look at that with the first alert futurecast. Here we are by 6 to 7 o'clock, cloud cover in place. Here we are at midnight. Start to see some isolated stronger storms to severe storms developing. That's with the tornado threats a little bit higher late tonight into tomorrow morning. I want you to make sure that you have the CBS News app downloaded. You have multiple ways to get warnings from the National Weather Service, of course, from us here in the First Alert Weather Center. Complex of storms between 3 to 5 o'clock, moving its way through the 35 corridor. By 6 o'clock, east sides of the Metroplex and then continue the east sides of North Texas. Then we see the activity tapering off through most of the afternoon hours on Wednesday. But it's then overnight Wednesday into Thursday where we do have another first alert weather day in place for us. For this, here's the risk factor. Overnight Wednesday into Thursday morning, that slight risk of severe storms does include most of North Texas for another complex of storms developing. Let's walk you through that. Here we are again, 4 o'clock for your Wednesday afternoon. You notice into Wednesday evening, we're doing all right. We start to see some showers and storms developing for us. Then it is the overnight time frame, Wednesday night into Thursday morning. None of the complex of storms coming out of parts of the west sides of North Texas. By the time we go to 1 to 2 o'clock, approaching the west sides, west of the 35 corridor, between parts of Parker County, stretching away up into parts of Wise County. Then between about 2 to 3 o'clock, moving through the 35 corridor, shifting its way east. Activity tapering off earlier in the morning around 6 o'clock and then continue to shift its way eastward. So we're keeping our eyes on that. Then as we go into late Thursday into Friday, slight risk of severe storms. That does include the Metroplex as well. And then going into Friday, it's a risk factor still 4 days out from the National Weather Service because of rounds of rain and some storms on the way, the flooding threat going up into Friday. So this is the longer range European forecast model showing Thursday morning that complex of storms moving through, then Thursday afternoon showers around. But look at this, Friday morning, more light to more widespread rain on the way for us, heavier rain shifting its way to the north. But then look at off and on through the day on Friday, rounds of rain and some storms on the way, more heavy rain going into Saturday morning before that then tapers off by Saturday afternoon. Flooding is a concern as the week progresses ahead. We'll see 1 to 4 or more inches of rain in parts of North Texas. That higher bullseye further to the northeast, possibly Delta County, stretching into parts of Hopkins County, more than 6 inches of rain. It's not raining right now. It is 53 degrees with a southeast wind at 6. We'll see our moisture content increase as we go through the day ahead. Our temperatures in the 50s to the 40s this morning, warm our way up into the low 80s. But again, winds out of the south-southeast at 15 to 25, gusting up to 40 this afternoon. That south-southeast wind also increases our moisture this afternoon.